lawyers, this is how meta ads relate to Google Maps. There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you, coaching, and self-study courses. Hi there and welcome to our latest video. Today I'm going to talk about how meta ads relate to your Google Maps. October 2021, the company that owns Facebook and Instagram changed its name to Meta. And advertising on Meta means Facebook and Instagram. Did you know that when potential clients see your Meta ads on social media, they're likely to Google your law firm right afterwards? That's why it's important not only to have a strong online presence, but also to rank in the top 3 of Google Maps. Before we jump in, let me introduce myself. My name is Mary Cary, legal marketing specialist and founder of GoMedia Marketing Productions. Since 2008, we've been helping lawyers just like you grow and streamline their firms with these videos, speaking around the world, and services like intake, website development, video production, search engine optimization, and advertising on pretty much every platform. We know your niche. We offer you a full agency experience, coaching, and online courses for those on a budget. So let's dive into today's topic. Oh, but first, please email me. I want to know, what are your dreams for growing your law firm? Here are a few tips for optimizing your Google Maps posts every day. Make sure that the posts are relevant educational text that utilizes keywords in the headline and the body. Post images every day. Post shareable memes that are keyword optimized for search. Enable chat services. To optimize your online presence, it's recommended to enable chat services on your Google Maps listing. As Google Maps now offers chat in most geographic locations, we use it extensively to communicate with your potential clients and your existing clients pretty much every day. When they see your meta ads, they also find you in search and they connect with you rather than your competition when your Google Maps is all optimized. We understand that as a busy firm, you may not have the time or resources to focus on search optimizing your Google Maps, but that's where we come in. Our team can help you rank higher on Google Maps, which means more visibility and more potential clients. So, if you're interested in improving your online presence and driving more traffic to your law firm, let us help you with meta ads and Google Maps optimization. Contact us today and learn more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Are you tired of struggling with your law firm's marketing with so many vendors out there who just don't understand your niche? Do you want to bring in more clients without spending all your time and money on advertising? Well, we've got great news for you today. For a limited time at GoMedia Marketing Productions, we're offering our full service meta ads package, and we're going to offer this just to 4 brand new personal injury law firms. I mean, you don't have to be a new law firm, but you'll be new to us. We'll create engaging video content, launch and tweak your campaigns, and even answer every inquiry that comes in on your behalf. This is also that you can focus on what you do best, which is practicing law. Normally, our agency fees are no less than $5,600 per month, not including your meta ads budget. But for these select few law firms, we're cutting our prices by nearly half. And this is because we believe in the power of our services and we want to help you succeed. Think about it. How much do you spend on your receptionist or on your website? Marketing, when done correctly, is a fabulous investment and doesn't end up costing you anything. With our team on your side, you can bring in a steady stream of brand new clients without breaking the bank or creating office space for the bunch of us. Contact us today to see if you qualify for this exclusive offer, only available to a few law firms who don't conflict with our existing client base. Let's work together to take your law firm's marketing to the next level. Call me anytime or reach out by email, Mary@GoMediaMarketing.com.